What's up world, I am Mr. Vaca and today we are going to be learning all about Google Classroom and how to add, create, or join a classroom. Once you get into your Google account, here I am at the Google homepage. I'm going to click on the waffle iron and then I'm going to click Classroom. Now you'll see I have a bunch of different classrooms like my Rotterdam Community Art Classroom, Professional Development Classroom, Portrait of a Graduate Classroom. All of these are different classes that I have. Now, say you are a teacher, you've created your own classroom and you want to invite students. The first thing that you want to do is click People once you've got your classroom created. And once you're under People, you can invite students by clicking this icon right here. You click it and then you can type in what the student's name is and click their name, click invite, send them a personalized message if you want, and that's how you can add kids directly. Now, if you're a student looking to join your teacher's classroom and you can't find the email or link the teacher sent to join the classroom, you can request to join using the class code. So again, once you're in the classroom, all you need to do is click this plus button up here and you want to join a class. From there, you're going to ask your teacher for the class code. Teachers, if you're looking for your class code, once you're in your classroom, your class code pops up on the main front top panel and it will give you the code. You give that to your students, they can request to access and they'll jump right into your classroom. Now again, if you're a teacher looking to create your own classroom, it's the same exact thing. From your class's homepage right here, you click the plus button and then you click create a class and then you'll just instantly have a classroom and you can start posting things. Thank you again for watching. Don't forget to work hard, play hard, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.